Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be doing a review on Pantene's Pro V Gold Series hair repair line. And these are new products. I think they're a new line because I haven't seen them online, so I got these to review and to basically share my honest opinion on. So let's get into it. So first I'll be starting out with their cleansing conditioner, and of course I do everything in sections, so I'm just putting my hair in 4 sections, and then I'll just start with the left side. So the cleansing conditioner, I like the texture, it smells really good, and this is no lather, sulfate free and paraben free, and I really like how it feels on my hair. It was actually conditioning, it really was. It felt really nice. The conditioning part allowed me to actually detangle my hair with my hands and also my comb. And also for the cleansing part, it actually did cleanse my hair, and my hair wasn't stripped of the oils that was actually in it before, so that's good. It says on the bottle that it gently removes build-up and conditions to repair for 86% stronger hair, and as you can see, it actually defined my curls as well. And for me, defined curls, it shows that something is going on and my hair is actually receiving the product. So as usual, I did 2 sessions. First I used the cleansing conditioner to cleanse, and then the second time I use it to detangle and quote unquote condition my hair. And actually wash day was really quick for me. I was so shocked at how quickly I finished this side of my hair. And as you can see, your girl is getting some length. So moving on to their reconstructing mask, and this also has biotin and kukui nut oil. It's also sulfate free and paraben free. I think the whole line is sulfate free and paraben free. It says on the bottle that it penetrates dry, damaged hair to help reconstruct the flexibility of the hair shaft in one treatment. And kind of on the fence about the hair repair mask, because as you can see, in contrast to how my hair looked when I had the cleansing conditioner in it, my hair looked like I didn't put anything on it. and I mean it felt okay, but looking back on the video right now, it didn't look like anything was on it. It didn't look hydrated as how it looked when I had in the cleansing conditioner. But I think it's still good. Yeah, you can see the difference right here. It doesn't look the same, but it's fine. It didn't dry my hair out. That's all I can say. But I don't think it actually gave me the conditioning factor that it says it's supposed to give. Maybe the oil that is in it is just not for me. But I actually did use it, and I left it on my hair for like 30 minutes. I'm not gonna stop using it because you have to continuously use something in order to see benefits slash effects that you'll get from it. So I'm not totally gonna turn it out. I'm gonna use it again. But if I do find something else that works better for my hair that I can visibly see, then I will use it. Back, and as you can see, my hair does look hydrated. It doesn't look dry. But I'm going in with the anti-breakage combing cream, and it's actually I'm not sure if because my hair was before it was actually detangled or what, but I don't think this actually helped with the moisture either. And when I did style my hair and on unravel it the day after, I got a lot of flaking, and you guys will see at the end of the video. And I really wanted to use this, though I didn't have to at the time because my hair was freshly washed, so it was detangled. But I wanted to use it, of course, because I want to give everything their fair shot. So this is supposed to provide deep moisture for easy combing and detangling for 69% less breakage. And I don't hate it. I really don't. I think I'll use it again, like on days when I'm taking down my protective styles. As you can see, I'm showing you how light and fluffy my hair is and the length. I'm gonna be doing a flat twist out on my hair. It was the easiest and quickest thing. So yeah, I'm gonna get my extreme wetline gel. Gonna apply that. Then I'm gonna be using their hair serum, and this was sure I know this flakes with the gel and probably the leave-in, because a couple days after I did this style, I was trying to refresh my hair and I was doing like the whole mixture in my hand, and I saw that it was balling up, and I was like, this was definitely the reason for the flaking. I don't think it was an anti-breakage combing cream. I think it was the serum. Like I said, I'll talk more about the products at the end of the video, so stay tuned.
like the products. Like, they smell good. My hair actually felt moisturized when I used the cleansing conditioner, and the hair mask was really nice as well. I'm not sure about the overnight repair melting serum because I'm not sure if I used it at the right time. It says overnight before bed, so I'm not sure if it's something that goes in immediately before bed or you just apply it. I'm not sure, but I wanted to use all the products I got today, so that's what I did. Also, my time spent in the shower washing my hair was so quick. Like, when I had the mask in, I was like, wow, I didn't spend that long of a time like actually washing my hair. Like, it was so quick. So the cleansing conditioner is really a game changer because it's not even drying on my hair, because some 2-in-1 cleansing conditioners, they actually dry your hair. So that one was actually it wasn't drying on my hair, and my hair wasn't feeling like all the moisture was just on the top. It actually felt nice. Even when it was damp, it felt nice. So that's key. And if my wash day can be shorter than usual, then I'm with it.
So as you guys can see, there's like sections where it's kind of white. There's a white cast, and that's what I was talking about. Like, I got a lot of flaking, and the black shirt, the black top that I had on in the video, it had a lot of white flakes on it, and my hair looks like I have gray patches on it, and it does look dry. I've had more hydrated twist outs than this, but it wasn't that bad. I'm just saying I've had more hydrated twist outs than this. But like I said, I'll continue using the hair mask to see if my hair will get used to it or if it will do what it's supposed to do over time. And I also will continue to use the cleansing conditioner. Not sure about the night serum, but I also will be using the anti-breakage cream. But I'll probably use it when I'm taking down my protective styles and I don't really want to get that much breakage when I'm detangling. So yeah. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications. Subscribe if you haven't already, and if you're subscribed already, thank you for staying subscribed and watching this video and my other videos. And yeah, I really enjoyed doing this review for you guys, and I had to really change the style and do like a half up, half down. It really looked cute, so I'm glad I did it. It's the first time I actually did it and actually liked it. So yeah, I will give the 4 products altogether probably an 8 out of 10. But please use your discretion when you're trying new products. Look at the ingredients, think about what you may like, what your hair likes, etc. So yeah, that's it for the video, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.